Hello students, today again I am with you with some important question answer from social science history parts. Lesson 4, the creation of empires for class 7s. Any other students also can take help from this video. So question answer, without making knowledge, come to the question answers. So first questions, why Ibrahim Lodi was defeated in the Azili? He was the last sultanate from Delhi, and there was the first Panipat battle maybe between the Baburs and Ibrahim Lodi. But Ibrahim Lodi was easily defeated in the battle of the Panipat, first battle of Panipat. There were some reason, behind some reason why Ibrahim Lodi defeated very easily, and Baburs won the battles. But why and how? Here I use some important points and reasons mentioned here. Number 1, Babur's army was equipped and very skillful warriors. Comparatively, Ibrahim Lodi. Number 2, Baburs had guns. But Ibrahim Lodi depends on only elephants. Number 3, Babur's strategy on the war. Before start the wars, he also making plan, and plan also help him to own the wars. So come to the question number 2. When and how did Humayun die? Humayun died on 27 January 1556. Humayun slept and fell down from the stairs whilst coming down from his library. He got massive injuries as his skull fractured. After long time suffers, he had died, lack of proper medical treatments. So come to question number 3. What did Akbar do to gain the loyalty of Rajput? What did Akbar do to getting the supports and become popularity among the Rajputs? The great king Akbar maintains friendly relations with Rajputs. He also strengthened his relations by matrimonial alliance. He gave the high positions to the Rajput chiefs. He allowed Rajput kings to continue ruling over their territories. If any kings of Rajput from Rajputs defeated by Akbar's, he not chase his power, but he allowed to continue ruling the power, but only Akbar's demand the royalty, the taxes from the Rajputs. Next you see how were the gems in the Akbar's goods. Nice, it is directly given in the text. You read and memorize only. Okay, so come to question number 5. How did Jahangir try to make himself accessible to the peoples? Jahangir, 15 years, he rules the country on the advices of his beloved wife Nurjahan. And Nurjahan also appointed maximum number of administrators from her family. Brother, father, and own relatives also appointed. That creates some problems later on. But images also going fall down of Jahangir. But later Jahangir what to do to getting the popularity among the peoples. You see, Jahangir did many more make himself accessible to the peoples. Number 1, he banned manufactures and the sales of the intoxicant, though he himself, Jahangir himself, addicted to drinking. Number 2, all convicts serving long period released from the jail. Number 3, he ordered the landlords would not forcefully occupy the lands of the farmers. And many more, but I have only mentioned here 3. So come to question number 6. Why was the Taj Mahal built? Why was the Taj Mahal built? It is very common and maximum number of the students can know, because Taj Mahal is the seventh wonders. Among the seven wonders, one of Taj Mahal. So come to the answer. Shah Jahan was a lover of art and architecture. He built the Taj Mahal. Yeah, D is mistake here, so students you correct. Before the Taj Mahal you put D, one article. In memory of his second wife Mumtaz, who died whilst giving birth to his fourth child. Shortcut, on the memory of his wife, Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal on the bank of Amuna rivers. So come to the next. What were the major factors that led the declines of Mughals empires? Many more reasons to decline the downfall of the Mughals' power. The number one, religious policy. During the time of Aurangzeb, Sharia was imposed, which create diversity between the Muslim and non-Muslims. He implemented some Islamic law, making various type of laws on the basis of Islam, and this creates diversity and diversities among the people. Next you see the war of successors. Due to the fights among the brothers for throne or the kingdom, centering the kingdom and thrones, there's fightings internally among themselves. That's the one important points. Number three, the weak successor. After the death of Aurangzeb, all the successor becomes very weak and not able to. Here not is not, so students you put not able to holding the administrations properly. Number four, the empty treasury due to the frequent war. They are bound to war again and again due to their financially problems also appears. Due to the frequent wars, the treasury was empty. It impacted the military and the security expenditure. This is how I completed 7 answers. So all of you try to comprehend in your mother tongue and write on your copy as soon as you are possible. Thank you. Have a nice day.